Hey, what's going on? It's your boy djtlm. Of course, you already knew that. Welcome to the journey. It's been a long time. I've actually shot quite a few journey videos and just never got around to editing them, and I'm not even sure if I ever will. I have been doing YouTube videos. I've been doing content for my clients as well, but I've been spending more time on me. I know at the beginning of the year I talked about really going all in on this channel. I decided to continue with the channel, but really put the focus on me. After you watch this video, just go back to any of the videos on my channel from January, February. Take a look at those, and then come back to this. Maybe you're not even noticing, but I definitely know. Like in the last 3 months, I've lost around 30 pounds. So that's a great start for me, feeling lighter, feeling healthier again. Enough of that. I'm here in the lab right now, surrounded by a bunch of different lights and all of that good stuff because I'm finally recording my very first DJ course. So I'm very excited about that. This has been something I've been wanting to do for a long time. I've been planning that in the last couple of months as well, doing my research, how to do it, how to get it out there, distribution, marketing, you name it. Educating myself on a lot of different things, not the DJ side of things, not the actual curriculum of the course, because I already know what I'm explaining in the course, but everything else that has to do with actually not just building the course, but getting the course out there. One of the reasons I also really wanted to do a course is because I get a lot of questions from people asking me for tips how to get started. And look, I can point anyone towards the YouTube channel. That's what I normally do. I tell them to check out my channel. Over 400 videos, a lot of tutorials, but tutorials and just regular videos on YouTube is not the same thing as an actual course. Like really something that is created to guide you through a process from start to finish and reach a certain result. So that was a challenge for me because I've never done that before. So that is what this is. But I don't want this to sound like a commercial for the course. I'll do that later. But let me just show you what I'm working with. I'm still, of course, in my space. This is just nice and clean, not too much in there. Got my classic Vestax in here. Little artwork on top. That's actually that turntable right there. That's a softbox I've had for ages. That's just like a fill light. That's its purpose. Then we got these IKEA lights up here. They have the purpose of lighting this part and lighting that wall to eliminate some shadows. Then I have a small LED right here. That's gonna go on and it also illuminates that wall to eliminate some more shadows. Over here, we have an H6 recorder, and that's actually recording the audio from this bad boy right here. That is the Rode NTG3. I have my ring light here that serves basically as a key light combined with this aperture light right here. Very nice LED light as well, but this is the GH5, so basically it's his big brother. One of the reasons I'm using that is because this does not have a recording limit where my GH4 does, and I want to be able to just shoot as long as I want to. Now on top of that, we have the Rode Filmmaker kit that is connected to the lav mic right here. That takes my audio straight into the camera, so you got good audio going into the camera. That lavalier mic, yes, I have two, that is connected to the Zoom H5. So yes, I'm recording audio on 3 sources. Basically, the camera is getting pretty good audio from that lav mic wirelessly. Then I got this lav mic giving me audio in the H5, and then I got the main audio, the NTG3, into that H6. Why would I do that? Now, I'm only shooting this course this weekend. I want to make sure that there's nothing that can surprise me after the fact. So I don't want to end up editing and then I find out that for some reason, part of that one was not recorded. It could happen. I mean, I've had stuff like that happen plenty of times, so it can happen. That's like a backup plan and a backup to the backup plan, just to be safe. So basically right now I'm just doing talking head stuff, so just me talking. But during this course, I will be demonstrating all of the mixing techniques and stuff like that on a couple different devices. So I had to decide, like my normal tutorials, I'm using turntables, and every time in my tutorial, I'll tell people like, hey, I'm using turntables, but you can also do the same techniques on a CDJ or controller, and that's true. For this course, I want to make sure that people can actually watch that part of the course on their own type of equipment. So I'll be demonstrating using turntables, a controller, and a media player. So I'm covering the entire spectrum. DDJ 400, I'll be using that one. I'll be using my VL12 turntables with Serato, and I'll be using the Denon SE5000 as a media player. So that way, I'm basically covering everything. Yes, I have the Rain 12s as well. Let's be honest, that's a controller that looks like a turntable. Don't want to make things more complicated for people watching that course. So yeah, that's basically it. Working on that, very excited to get this done, hopefully in the near future, but that's going to be a while. Like after I shot everything, I'm going to do some extensive editing on this, adding a lot of different stuff to that, like slides and other things as well. So that'll be a while in the making. And once the first edit is done, I'll be looking for 5 to 10 absolute beginners. They're gonna be my test people for this course. So if you're already a little bit further on in the process, this is not for you. But if you are an absolute beginner, you're just getting started now, you might be who I'm looking for. So I'll throw that out as soon as I'm ready to hand it to the test cases. And I'm gonna have like 5 to 10 people go through the course, tell me exactly how they feel about it. That's gonna allow me to enhance it or change some things if necessary. And also it'll hopefully give me some good testimonials to get started. So that is something, but for now, I have to shoot a lot more footage. And after that's done, I have to lay everything down, see exactly what I'm gonna put in, what I'm gonna leave out. Still a lot of work to be done. But I have time right now. I've done all my videos for clients for the next couple of weeks, so I'm focused on this. I will try to bump, to throw out one more podcast because I skipped a week, and throw out some more videos in the meantime as well. But this has priority right now. So that's it for today. It is Sundays, June 2nd. The Journey, djtlmtv. Talk to you soon. Peace.